Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to search in messages and conversation in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to search for messages or any conversations, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your messages app, and here you'll get the search icon in the left side of your profile icon. If you have just scroll up, it will go to your top right corner. Just tap on it. From here, you can easily search for unread, noun, unknown as some messages here. You can easily search for videos, images, or links. Here it seems different. I'm going to search for unread messages. Just tap on it. So here you'll easily get all of your unread messages. If you want to search for any specific conversation, just search for with the name as I have, just tap on it. So that's how you can easily search in messages and conversation in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.